Hey guys, welcome to Vtech Phones. Today we are going to look at a Vtech CS6619. It is kind of cool, but I need something to stand with it. I mean, this could be good. Yeah. So we're going to do some ringtones on the Vtech CS6619. Oh, oops. I'm sorry guys. Did not mean to do. Oh my. Okay, I need something different. Okay. 1 second. Okay, so this is tone number 1. Good morning, beloved people. It was kind of funny. Now I need to. Let me go ahead and choose a different tone. Tone number 2. Good evening, beloved people. Oh my god, that was so funny, bro. Okay, now let's change a different tone. Here is tone number 3. Call from Trace Squirtle. Did I answer it? I think I answered it. Maybe. Oh no, I didn't. Hey, echo. Stop. Okay. Let me go ahead and change another tone. Here's tone number 4. It's kind of cool. Just trust. You gotta hear this. Lines up very perfectly. Like, look at the LED. See, there it goes. Good evening, beloved people. I am Dawson Squid. Alright, let's move on. Here's tone number 5. Hello. Good morning. Beloved. It was echoing for a sec, so let's move on. This is my grandma's old tone. It's tone number 6. Good morning, beloved people. Okay, so I'm gonna have to use the LED parted object so that y'all can see whatever it is, what's over there back there. So let's move on. Okay, since I'm holding, let's go ahead and call it. Alright, I bet y'all can see the focus. It says incoming call on it. Good morning, beloved people. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, here we go. Moving on. Here's tone number 8. Hello? Good morning, beloved people. That was so funny. Here's tone number 9. Well, hello there, my father dearest. If my dad just calls me, that would be cool. Alright. Moving on. This is the last ringtone. Tone number 10. Hello, sir. Good morning. Alright, well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Now I gotta turn up my Echo Dot. Now I'm gonna